Hi, this is Mel from MelPinkBuJo and welcome to day 2 of the daily unboxing videos of the advent calendar of 2023. And stay tuned for a lot of Christmas inspiration and Christmas feeling. So this is the package I made for all the people I give the adventskalender to, or I get the gifts from. So I know what's inside, but I don't know the specifications of it. So let's see together. So I bought these little things. These are for your car for a fresh scan. And you have 10 of these packs in different colors. And you can put them into this car scanned thing or smell for a good smelling in your car. And then you have different colors in there. And you can put on the perfume or the scent you like the most. So I will show you. So for example, if I put in this red thing instead of this blue one, it looks very different, and you have 10, or to say so, when you use this too, this felt thing, you have 11 smells you can use. And it's very decorative too. This little card says what this is and what this is for. And then the next thing is this ballpoint pen. And it has different, it's like a multifunctional tool, and you have different things you can do with it. And I wrote it all down in this card in German. So it has 7 functions. Of course, it's a ballpoint pen, a standard ballpoint pen. Then you have this ruler in centimeter and an inch. Then you have this little spirit level over here. This is for the touch screen of your tablet or your smartphone. And when you screw it open, as you can see on the picture, you have 2 little screwdrivers with 2 ends. So stay tuned for the next unboxing video tomorrow.